rounds town to town, all over the land. His tools have been washed with the blood of the Lamb. He fixes the letters so you'll understand the cleverest of puns and ampersands. He's the sign guy, church sign repair guy, a blessed and fair guy. He's the church sign repairman. A hammer and wrench he'll gladly use to help the churches express their views. Fixing consonants, replacing vowels. He's hanging up letters and pleasing the crowds. He's the sign guy, church sign repair guy, a blessed and fair guy.
What's with this trash? This bin is for cardboard only. Church sign repairman, how can we ever repay you? It's all in a day's work for church sign repairman.